back. More breaking news coming in as far as the political negotiations before general elections is concerned. Now, regardless of what both Congress and Aam Aadmi Party may say on record as far as their so-called alliance negotiations are concerned, the reality is that it's very much on. They keep denying it on record. And what we're getting to know now is that through Sharad Pawar as a mediator, the Aam Aadmi Party is once again proposing a 5-2 formula to the Congress. This is via Sharad Pawar. They want 5 seats for the Aam Aadmi Party and 2 for the Congress. Now, whether this is going to be acceptable at all, because remember, it has been 3-3-1, then it has been 4-3 as well, and now a 5-2 formula. Let's go across to my colleague Anuj for that. Anuj, tell us more.
Well, actually, yes, this is the latest what is coming in, that now Aam Aadmi Party again trying for new tactic, and that is the formula given by Aam Aadmi Party. And Sharad Pawar being used as a mediocre for the same to convince Congress Party. The formula is that 5-2 formula. This is Aam Aadmi Party is willing to take 5 seats from the national capital and 2 they want to give to Congress Party. Whereas we have to wait and watch what exactly will be the next. But yes, this is very much true that now again Aam Aadmi Party trying their level best and using every tactic to form an alliance with the Congress Party.
As we've been reporting and we've been covering, the Congress, at least being held, as long as it is being helmed by Sheila Dikshit, the DPCC, the Delhi unit, is not in favor of this alliance. Now, we've seen in the past that it was a 3-3-1 formula and then a 4-3 formula. What makes the Aam Aadmi Party confident that the Congress will at all accept a 5-2 formula?
Well, actually, let me tell you, this is all like Aam Aadmi Party is playing very smart on the same. They are giving numbers of formula. They are trying to approach Congress Party, whereas DPCC, as you pointed it out, make it very much clear. Sheila Dikshit make it very much clear that there will be no alliance. They are not in favor of any alliance. That is why she wrote to Rahul Gandhi. That is why she wrote to Sonia Gandhi and met with both the leaders. But there on the other side, if we talk about the other camp, that is PC Chacko and camp, who is in favor of alliance. And there Aam Aadmi Party from behind the curtain is approaching by every way to the Congress Party. And now this time they have used Sharad Pawar as a mediocre. So now Congress, their Aam Aadmi Party is playing very smart. On one hand, they are criticizing Congress Party. Gopal Rai made this statement. Arvind Kejriwal himself criticized Congress Party, calling Congress Party B team of BJP. And on the other side, at the behind of the curtain, what they are doing, they are approaching Congress Party. So this is the strategy of Aam Aadmi Party, where Aam Aadmi Party is exposed.
This is the most farcical negotiation for an alliance between 2 polar opposite parties that we have witnessed in India in a long, long time. Remember, there are, of course, huge moral questions on the Aam Aadmi Party even wanting to come together with the Congress because their genesis was anti-Congress corruption cases. But now times have changed, and how? Anuj, we'll leave it at that. We also slip into a